Introducing the amazing Wash and Bright, the easiest way to do dishes. You no longer need to scrub or rub. It cleans crockery, cutlery, and all types of glasses, cups, and bottles. The Wash and Bright has over 10,000 super cleaning bristles that scrub dirty dishes, making them squeaky clean. Its handy suction pods keep the Wash and Bright in place. Simply dip, spin, and rinse. Not only will the Wash and Bright save your time and energy, but you'll also be using less dishwashing liquid and water. So order your Wash and Bright now on More Deal. Save more, live more.